Hello everybody, Asong Filipina, and to this video. So, as you can see, my nails is so clear. I don't put any colors in it for now. And today, since I love to put colors in my nails, I have to put and choose here in my box. So I have in my box different kind of colors here. Yeah, colors. So I'm gonna see or look. I'm thinking to use this one. And I also have moss green, fuchsia pink. So okay, since there's so much to choose. So I have here the neon pink. I'm gonna choose the neon pink. So I'm gonna start with my hands. Just enjoy watching. So I'm using the neon pink. So quiet and just enjoy watching. It's so quick because I cleaned it already today. And next time we choose the blue, dark blue. I also have, you can also comment down below what colors do you love me to use next. My daughter is watching me. She's always commenting with my English. She's like, what are you talking, mom? So this is neon pink. And next time we do different color like dark blue. It's kind of warm here. It's dense. Maybe this time. Put it here. I only do second coating, then done. So last one. This is the color. Not color. Color. So pink, neon pink. I also have different colors here. So you just comment down below. And I only don't have, for now I don't have black. I don't have new for black. I have the older one. So I'm gonna finish it first, then we do our toes. Oh my gosh, I love the color. bright like a diamond. Okay. So if you want to join membership, just click the join button level 3, and also for my Patreon, just click the link in my description for my Patreon account. So I have few members already there that are joining. And for my channel is level 3 for more driving videos. So now we start the toast. My toast, my niece. My toast, my niece. I have to remove this one. Just so easy and quick and easy. Just have to come closer a bit. It's so quick because my nails is already clean. Muna siya ako ang kuanak kanang ang tingog gusto ko na asset na ako sa kuang vlog. Ang bisdak na
English naman ko.
istoryahan.
English naman ko. Di ba kung straight? Mag-isaya mo ka na ako. Uy, I know how to English. And I know how to Dutch.
a color. Pink. Fuchsia pink. Or it's neon pink. Yeah, it was neon pink. I was like thinking that tomorrow I'm going to see this. I'm gonna drive. So we're almost done. Big two now, last part. Have to finish my old nail polish first. I'm gonna use the new one. I have like 20 additional 20 nail colors additional. So this is it. This is the look, and the other one. It's very beautiful now. So I'm gonna put it last coating. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So, finally, this is it. This is the result. So, I'm gonna make pictures for this. And next time, we're gonna change with other nail colors, like purple or yellow. So, that's all for now, and see you again next